Okay, guys, we're going over quadratic functions now. So, what is a quadratic? If you see this smiley face anywhere, it's a quadratic. It's just a curve, right? Curve this way. You can have some this way, going like that way, but we don't learn that in standard math, right? All you need to learn is this curve. And it's graphed by the function y equals x to the power of 2, right? So, this 2 will always stay the same, right? It's just the x value that will change. So, right, we have it here again, right? Y equals x to the power of 2 gives us this curve, and then y equals minus x to the power of 2 is just going to be the same thing, but flipped to the top. So, in the HSC, you may have to construct a parabola, right? All you have to do, exact same stuff, guys. I'm telling you, just construct a table of values, right? Draw the number plane, plot the points, join the points to make a parabola. It's not rocket science, right? So, because we've done so many in the graphing module, right? Just check that out if you want to, go into depth how to draw these. But if you're a quick learner, right, you don't overcomplicate things, just draw the table of values, plot the points, right? Draw the graph y equals x squared plus 1. Just sub in x for each of these. So, for example, y equals to minus 3 to the power of 2 plus 1. That equals to 10. Right? This is 10. And then so forth for the rest of these. Right? It's important as well. Right? Make sure you put this in brackets. Right? If you don't, you can get a different answer because it's going to think this minus is separate. So make sure you put this in brackets. Okay, that's fine. Next one, right? And these are the next things. So these are the definitions you need to know, right? So turning point, right? It's going to be here, right? It's the very top or very bottom of a graph, right? So we come here, turning point is here, right? Common sense where it flips. Here, the turning point is here. Again, common sense. Just use common sense for these. Right? Come back down. Turning point is done. Right. Axis of symmetry. Again, common sense. Right. For axis of symmetry, you're just going to put like an x value in. So all you're going to say is axis of symmetry is x equals to 2. Right. No y, just x equals 2. Right. This just means it is a line that goes through here, through this x point. Y-intercept, where it intercepts the y-axis. So, where x is equal to 0. Right, so that's going to be our y-intercept here. Or you can go off the graph. So 3. X-intercepts, right, again, common sense, where it intercepts the x values here. And this point is going to be where y equals 0. Right, so 1 and 3. Right. And then the minimum value, again, right, it's just this thing here, right, minus 1, right? So it's the lowest value it can be, right? If your graph is upside down, it's going to be the maximum maximum value. Turning point as well, just make sure you put the coordinates, so 2, -1, axis of symmetry, done, and then here is minus 1, right? And so that's parabolas, right? Again, do HSC questions, right? And you'll get a lot better at it, right? But just a summary again, make sure you do the turning points, axis of symmetry, y-intercept, x values, and minimum value. Make sure you know what they all are and know how to draw a graph as well, right? If you need questions, have any questions, put them in the discussion page, right? See you in the next one.